Hello, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are on this planet. Today we have another partnership with Olive Times. It says VChain and Olive Times became partners to deliver best quality premium olive oils in China. So the report says as living standards rise and education around food quality and health continues to grow, Chinese consumers are increasingly willing to pay a premium for high quality foods. Undesirable and unnatural ingredients are being shunned, with consumer instead actively seeking organic, environmentally benign and ethically produced foodstuffs. Olive oil is one such commodity that has seen an explosion in demand thanks to its many well established health benefits in the Chinese market. Between 2020 and 2021, the International Olive Council estimated that olive oil consumption in China will reach 66,000 tons per annum. Further, it says a rising brand, Olive Times, is taking advantage of this rapidly growing market. Based in the Gansu province, the most prestigious olive production region in China, the company has launched an ultra premium extra virgin olive oil, Special Olive, to ensure the authenticity of origin, freshness of the product, and earn trust among domestic consumers. Olive Times is now working closely with VChain to roll out traceability across their entire Special Olive product line using VChain's blockchain as a service BaaS platform. Timeliness and freshness have always been the essence of finest extra virgin olive oils. To be labeled as extra virgin, olives must be pressed and oils extracted within 24 to 72 hours of harvesting. VChain's combination of blockchain and data quality services allow the brand to upload data at key stages of production, including the crushing and extraction, quality certification, and acidity data onto the VChain Thor public blockchain in a trustless manner. Serving as a medium of both data security and transparency, blockchain allows brands to convey stories that are critical for helping them tap into emerging and ethically conscious markets. Attributes such as how the olives are picked up manually, engagement with the farmers themselves, even energy usage and carbon emission data can be recorded. This enables brand engagement in the entirely new ways and allows consumers to choose brands in line with their personal preferences. VChain's technology raises our prestige as a Nike brand by allowing us to communicate with the consumers through a QR code or NFC tag. Using VChain's flexible and cost-effective technology, everything about our product can be conveyed trustlessly and unalterably, offering a real-time, trustworthy window into our operations for loyal consumers and customers alike. This was said by the co-founder and CEO of The Olive Times. Using blockchain technology to turbocharge your marketing strategy is a new and effective method of brand building. Chief Marketing Officer commented, consumers want to consume in a way that addresses dietary concerns, but they are not willing to do it blindly. Transparency allowed for food manufacturers using public blockchain helps them demonstrate their products are formulated with an eye towards best quality. VChain's off-the-shelf blockchain platform is the most ideal and cost-effective solution to rapidly generate new brand engagement. So this partnership was also covered by other new news channels like this is Invest. It says VChain and Olive Times tie up to help deliver premium olive oils in China. PNRN Wire also covered this news. Slowly partnership are coming in the bag, and you know what will happen when the bull market comes. All this small work will count and will become one big work. So it is not good to run for price predictions every time here and there. They also know that people searches for a price prediction, so they also write whatever price they, so that they can write whatever they want, so that most people read them and like and dislike them. But this is not the case. You should understand that it takes time to build any partnership with institution, organization, or anything. So that's all for today. Bye bye.